Like ripples in the water, Train believes everything is somehow undeniably connected. A hammer connects to a nail and builds a wall. Connect the right wires, and you have light. The door to a house can become the door to a home. And when we build a train system, we provide reliability and comfort. Train is proud to be a national sponsor of the St. Jude Dream Home giveaway. The ripple effect from this can be felt around the world. Through the vision of our leadership and the commitment of our employees, our channel partners, the efforts of our home builders, vendors, and local communities. But nowhere is the ripple effect being felt more than at St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Because when we donate our heating and cooling products, money is raised to fight childhood cancers. And money is raised so families will never have to worry about how to pay for their child's treatment, ever. Treatments discovered at St. Jude have helped push the overall childhood cancer survival rate from 20% to more than 80% since it opened over 50 years ago. And you helped. You, with thousands of trained employees, have helped children survive childhood cancers and families from the burden of medical bills. And he did it all by being the ripple. Like in the water.
Train, helping families stay comfortable has never meant more.